Why should I treat the scoliosis at a young age? Very simply, because all large curves started as small curves. And the small curve is so much easier to treat. For me, for the child, for the parents, for everybody. So we want to try to get that kid in as early as possible when the treatment is simple. It's exercise-based. There's no bracing involved. It's a very straightforward treatment, and we want to get them under control and stabilize their spine at a young age. Everything goes much, much better if we do that. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.